It's time to say goodbye with our old license plate. Alright, we just arrived at our destination. So this is the place that I'm going to change my license plate over here. I mean, I'm very sorry about the sound quality, and the video quality is a little bad in this video because I didn't bring my vlogging camera because this is such a sudden decision. I just using my phone right now, so let us get our license plate done because the old license plate is a little bit at the uglier side. At first, the license plates kind of look pretty much off place. This is a little too big. So what I'm planning to do right now is to have a license plate which is just flush with this black line over here. Wash it out. You only can do that for that one time. If you ever put that license plate in there, you won't be able to clean it ever again. There it goes. Well, the car looks kind of good without the license plate, man. I kind of need to wrap the roof because I don't know, I just felt that this car would look even more better if I actually wrap or paint the roof black. But yeah, I mean, seriously guys, look at that. Without the license plate, the car actually looks pretty gorgeous. Alright, before installing the license plate, I need to do a little bit of trimming over here. As you can see, this is not, it doesn't have any screw holding those license plates. It is all 3M tapes. I hope that it will secure it pretty well. Just hope that it didn't fall. But it's looking good right over there. Now that is looking good. Goodbye, old license plate. Hello, new license plate. This looks so good. Okay, that is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you like it, dislike this video if you do not like it, subscribe if you haven't already because more content about late car is coming out soon, and of course I'm gonna see you in the next video. Adios guys, and have a nice beautiful day.